Good morning. Happy Christmas Eve. I promised to share with you my Christmas Eve and my Christmas, and I'm going to do so. It is 15 till 8. I've got my rolls rising. I have got my eggs. They are boiling on the stove for my deviled eggs. And I am making a pecan pie to throw into the oven right now. And I've got all my ingredients here, and that is what I'm starting with this morning. Forgive the lighting, but it is, I'll try to keep it mindful to keep the shadow off things, but this early in the morning in this old house, this is just the way it rolls. I've got clothes in the dryer this morning. I had kind of a rough night last night. I've got allergies so bad, so I decided to take a Mucinex, and I don't know, but I tossed and turned all night last night, and I have a feeling this girl's going to run out of gasoline before the end of the day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the best I can, get everything done, and then I'm going to just make me a big hot tea and sit in my chair because this girl has had it. I'm not going to lie to you. I've had it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this pecan pie in the oven and see what kind of trouble I can get into the rest of the day. Ham is getting ready to go into the oven. This is a pre-sliced spiral ham. It's going to be really, really good. If in about an hour, I'll cover it with foil, and then I always take the drippings from the pineapple slices, and I add in the glazed packet, and the last 20 minutes, I drizzle that over the top. So I need to tuck this piece in. And this is going to be really, really good. I made some peanut butter fudge this morning, and it's all set up already. It's still warm, but it's all set up. And I put pecans on the top because Ronnie said he wanted nuts on his peanut butter fudge. So I'm about to put the ham in the oven, and everything looks good. Hello, everybody. I think this is the first time you're seeing me in this video today. It is Christmas Eve, so happy Christmas Eve. I'm sitting here with my baby over here. He's rocking away in his chair.
I'm getting the chair warmed up.
Yeah, he's getting the chair warmed up.
I kind of slept in this morning.
I will tell you guys the truth, neither one of us slept very good last night. I don't even know why, we just didn't. Maybe we're just so excited about Santa Claus.
Well, he's coming from the great white north.
He is. Ronnie was trying to make small talk with the Santa Claus at the Ritter Park. And he said to him, he said, so, buddy, are you from here? And he said, well, no, I'm from the North Pole.
Oh, I got a good laugh out of that one.
We all laughed. It was so funny. So I've been up. The ham is in the oven. Let's see. I have made a pecan pie, deviled eggs, a whole thing of homemade peanut butter fudge, Jell-O salad, and I still have broccoli, mashed potatoes, and gravy to do. And then we'll be eating here around 2 o'clock. We have our good buddy Danny coming to eat with us, which is great. We always enjoy his company.
Yeah, we love Danny.
We love our friend Danny.
We love all y'all, even though if we don't know you.
Danny's been Ronnie's friend for a long, long time.
I gotta say, I've been blessed with loyal friends. Loyal.
I'm sure you guys know this by now, but if you watch my channel, Ronnie goes to the YMCA and he goes swimming. Sometimes he goes 4 days a week. So over time, he's gotten to know all of the lifeguards and has made friends with all of them. So when him and I got married, they had everybody stand that was from the YMCA.
And about the whole wedding was.
Yeah, and the best man was from the YMCA. He was one of, but they're all those individuals have grown up, and Ronnie has got to see them grow over the years, and they are no longer with the YMCA, but they're still friends.
But to the ones at the Y presently, to our subscribers, I just want to take a minute to tell you that I appreciate all of you that sees that I get outside, when I get done swimming.
Yeah, we have a lot of individuals that work down the Y that watches my videos, and
you never know how much Ronnie appreciates
Ronnie loves the YMCA, and I love it when I go, but I don't always get to go because I'm either YouTubing or doing housework or doing things I probably shouldn't be doing while he's not home, like standing on chairs and painting ceilings, crazy stuff like that. But anyways, we got our tree all lit up over here. And our company will be showing up shortly. It's really smelling good in this house, isn't it, honey?
Oh, man.
And we got to walk outside. Can you believe?
It's warm now. It's warm enough.
It's 61 degrees outside.
Is it? Gosh,
it was 20, and I've got a cough drop in my mouth, if you're wondering what is in my mouth while I'm talking to you. I've still got a little congestion, but I know for a fact that it's this crazy, crazy weather. And I'm just so over it. I mean, be winter already or be spring, but make up your mind, be something. But I'm missing, I'm wanting some snow. I got something funny to tell you guys, and then I'm going to let you go. This morning I went upstairs to put my makeup on. And you ladies that know the difference between a bronzer and a highlighter, well, I got my little brush out and I started putting my makeup on. And I realized I wasn't putting bronzer on my face all over. I was putting highlighter. So if I'm a glowing today, you know what happened. Because
nothing like a wonderful glow.
I put a whole lot of highlighter on. I was like, oh, I just, put it on like bronzer. That's how I put it on. I'm like, well, I might be glowy, but we'll just say that it's the season to be glowy. Right, honey?
Oh, yes.
We'll be checking in a little bit. Yeah, I'm putting the blind people to work. There might be some kind of law against this. I'm not sure. I swept the floor real good, and he's giving me a good mop. He's doing a good job. He loves to spray that spritzer thing. You need to make sure you get at the stairs, too, and the front door especially.
I did it, but I will.
Okay.
I'm going back through. I'm just giving it a double...
Yep. See, he's doing this because he knows Santa's watching. Is Santa watching?
Oh, I hope so.
You're getting brownie points with Santa, honey. So I'm just sitting here, and my mother used to say that if somebody sweeps around you, you'll become an old maid. Hopefully that's never the case. But granted, I have made a ham, peeled a whole slew of potatoes, and I got everything laid out in there to finish up. And let's see, what time is it? It is 20 till 2. 20 till 2? Yeah, 20 till 2. My timer just went off on my phone, alerting me that my ham has been in there for 2 hours. So, it's almost done, honey. It'll be time to eat.
How's it looking?
It looks real good. The floor looks really, really good. Looks real good. Well, we are getting everything set up. I just thought I'd show the table really quickly because I've got food on the stove. But I'm using my new napkins from Aunt Brenda, my tablecloth from Big Ronnie. I've got my sweets all out here on the table. And it looks really cute. So I got the buns ready. They are all risen. And now I'm going to put those in the oven.
Oh
I'm
man.
gonna get myself some of this chicken.
Oh yeah, that's a good look. Give him kisses, Bo Bear. Lick him right on the lips.
Hey, Danny, tell me he's gonna go to school.
Don't even think about it.
Tell me he's
Hey,
gonna
Bo Bear, you gotta go to school.
Danny, tell me he's
You going to school, Bo Bear?
You going to school?
You going to school, Bo Bear?
You going to school?
Usually he'll tear you all to pieces. I don't know why he's being so nice to you for. Hello, everybody. I am losing my voice. It's not a good thing for a vlogger to lose their voice. So while I have a little bit left, I'm going to come on here for a minute. All my company left about 6 o'clock. We had a ton of food, a really good time. Danny brought some buffalo chicken dip, which was really good, and some ambrosia salad. And Emma brought me some very nice gifts, which was so sweet of her. She's always sweet. And we had a very full day. We had Bo Bear here, and we laughed, and we talked, and it's just been a very full day. And this girl is tired, and I'm not sick at all. I feel fantastic. But our weather has gone from 20 degrees to almost 70 today. And I turned the heat off in the house. It got so warm. And it is affecting my head. And I'm hoping this goes away. I took a little bit of Mucinex, and I am just about ready to go to bed and crash. But I did want to share with you guys a couple things before I go to bed. Well, I wanted to share my new placemats that my friend Emma got me for Christmas. She knows me so well. She knows I love the black and white. And I'm already put the tablecloth and the napkins and everything from earlier in the wash. And I couldn't wait to put these on because they were so nice. So Emma, if you're watching, thank you so much for my placemats. I really, really love them. And I'll show you here real quickly. You can see we got our tree lit up over there in the corner. She also brought me this really cute bag. Really cute. I can't wait to use that. It's so pretty. And it had all kinds of little goodies in it. Let's see. I think I've got a couple. Some of the goodies I took upstairs. Let's see. Here we go. I'll show you what I got. So I got this towel because she knows I'm always using this kind of stuff. And I got oven mitt, and it has all kinds of goodies in it. I think it's got another towel, and it's got some wooden spoons. I'm always using wooden spoons. And that was such a nice gift. So Emma, if you're watching, and I know you are, you really truly are a wonderful lady and a great friend. And we just so appreciate you coming down and spending Christmas Eve with us today. It means a lot to me and Ronnie. That is what I got left on my cookie tray. Everybody's been hitting it pretty hard. Everybody enjoyed the food, but I still have a lot of leftovers. So tomorrow we will be heating those back up. But right now I'm going to walk around. I'm going to turn my Christmas lights out, my Christmas tree. I am one wore out lady. It took me an hour to wash all these dishes from today. And I have the silverware in here, and it's soaking in some bleach water, and I do need to unplug this. This is my scented wax melts. And then I have my peanut butter candy that I made today, and then in here is what's left over. We had so many sweets, I didn't even get the pecan pie out. So tomorrow we've got plenty to munch on. And so, yeah, so we're gonna have plenty to eat, plenty.